Hey guys, thanks for stopping by. I have a fairly short video that I wanted to share. Spellbinders had their warehouse sale, and I picked up a bunch of stuff, and I just received it the other day. I wanted to show you what I got. I don't know when they'll be having another one, but I do know that they had mentioned that they're trying to clear the warehouse for new product. And so I would think between now and maybe Black Friday they'll have another one. So it was a good sale, and so I want to share with you what I got. And keep an eye out if you're interested, because I'm sure some things will be going up back on sale again. So first, they have these things called craft stacks. This one is a combo, and it has two smaller trays which measure 4.8, it says, by 6.6. So 4 by 6. Let me get about 6.5 by 4 3/4. And then the large one is the 6.5 by it says 9.68. But the thing I like about them is that they come, each of them, with lids. I have the diamond press ones, and I love those, but they only had one lid because you're supposed to stack them. But when I'm doing different projects, I'm not, I don't stack them. So that it doesn't quite work for that purpose. So these are nice. So this is a set of 2, and then the large one, and it also comes where you can get just a set of the 2 large ones. And I'm not sure if you can get a set of maybe 4 of the medium. I don't think so. I think this is, I don't know. I'm sorry, I don't know, but they're handy to have, especially if you're doing an event and you need to put stuff away as you're working on it. All right, so then I've had my eye on this die for quite a while, and let me bring it down now. There are different flowers. This one is the angel trumpets. I think there were like maybe 4 different flowers, and I like it because look at how large they are. I don't fussy cut, and little tiny dies just make me crazy. I like when the smaller ones are grouped, so I don't have to keep cutting. See, look at all of these. So this one, like I said, I've had my eye on. Look at how big these flowers are. So I'm anxious to try this one, and I will put this one in a pile of, so I could do a video on this one. I just think it's just so pretty. And then I picked up BetterPress. This is called the Butterfly Swirl, and it says "So happy for you." And I love that all the butterflies are in the swirl, so I don't have to do that. And you can use the die to cut them out so that you can do it like this, or you can do it the way you want it randomly. So, and if you don't know, the BetterPress press plates work on the BetterPress system, the letterpress system, but they hot foil beautifully. They hot foil better than hot foil dies. So I got that BetterPress, and then I got one other BetterPress, and that's the A Little Message Sentiments, and it too comes with the dies to cut them all out. So sending strength, a little message to say, happy birthday to you. Here's to another year. A big congrats on your special day. Wishing you all the best. Thanks for being you. Wish big today just because you're a great friend and you melt my heart. I just thought they were really nice sentiments. And if you're not familiar with the BetterPress, it is a letterpress system. So you take the dies and or the letterpress, and you ink it up, and then it presses into the paper, and it gives a beautiful crisp finish. It's really nice. All right, and then you know how I love 3D embossing folders. I got the Tuft one. Look at how pretty that is. And I do appreciate the fact that Spellbinders, the majority of their embossing folders are the 5.5 by 8.5, so that you can put a 5 by 7 in without any issues. And then I did get one. This one's called Columns, and it's not a 3D, but look at how pretty that is. It's just got the geometric look to it. So I got that. And then I got these emerald cut labeled end tags. I just look at how thick these are, and the like faux stitching. They're massive. I just think they're so cool. I don't think it says, so let's see. This is 5.5 by 4.25. So A2 size. I just thought they were so cool. So I got that. And got this Fresh Pick Sentiments, which actually is part of that big flower that I showed you, the Fresh Picked. And it says, thanks, hello, for you, smile, bloom, make, wish, hi. And I believe this is one of Jennifer McGuire's favorites. But they're nice, big size. This hello, look at how big this hello is. It is 2 3/4 long, so it takes up a good space, and 1 inch tall at the L's, which are the highest. So nice big letters. And then I got this. I know it's a small one, but it's called Forever Green, and it is an A2 size, but look at it. I thought it would be perfect for the background of some Christmas cards. And you can use it after Christmas. Hopefully you can see. So, and then last but not least, I decided, since they were on sale, to try their Splatter White opaque watercolor. I have is it Doc Martin? No, Dr. Phil? I don't know. Anyway, I'm almost out of it, so I thought this would be perfect. And this is a real thick, so it's supposed to last a long time. So we'll see. All right, so that was it. So, you know, nowadays we have to take advantage of the sales, because things are getting more expensive, as we knew they would. So anyway, so that's it. So if you have any questions, any comments, leave them in the comment section. If you shop the warehouse sale, let me know what you picked up. There were so many things and so many pages. It's like I told myself, okay, we're going to hit a limit here price-wise, and then it's like figure out what you really want, and then you can't have everything, even though they were on sale, you know. But I'm pleased with everything. So, all right, so that's it for this time. It's very gloomy and rainy here, which is strange to say, but it is. It's a little early, but it's been muggy, so I don't know how the weather is where you're at, but hopefully it's not too bad. I know some people are still having it super hot, so I am thankful that it's not in the hundreds anymore, because the valley gets hot, very hot. So, all right, so thank you for stopping by. If you're a subscriber, thank you for subscribing. If not, subscribe button is right there, the like button is right there, and the share. The thumbs up is the like. That's a good one. As I've said before, you know, it's the only way that YouTube knows that you like the video. So, all right, so that's it. See, short and sweet. I hope you have a good weekend, and I'll see you next week. Until then, stay safe, stay well, and happy crafting. Bye-bye.